Class 8 Mathematics Chapter 1 Pattern. Here we can see some patterns here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks here. There are 7 sticks here and 10 sticks here. And at last here 13 stick. There is undrawn here. And in this figure we can see 6 sticks here and the here 11 sticks, here total 16 sticks, and it will be drawn here 21 sticks similarly. And the next line or that last line we can see in the first one there are 7 sticks here and then 12 sticks and then 17 sticks and it will be 22 sticks. These all are also pattern. So what is the difference between here? Between 4 and 7. The difference will be 3. And again here difference will be 3. And then here also difference will be 3. In every case here difference is 3. And the next here difference is 5. And here also difference is 5. And here also difference is 5. So we will find the difference of the last line. Here difference is 5, then difference is 5, and here also difference is 5. So we have got the differences here. So in the first term, that means 4, 6 and 7. The second terms are 7, 11 and 12. The third terms are 10, 16 and 17. And the fourth terms are 13, 21 and 22. We have got first, second, third and fourth terms. So if we find out, if we look at this formula, here 3 is for here difference. Difference is 3. Okay, if you look at this figure or this formula, there is 5 because here difference is 5, and here this 5 is for the difference 5. So, and what is n here? N is number of position. That means here 4 is the first position, 7 here is the second position, 10 here is the third position, and 13 is here the fourth position. So we will know that n is number of the position. It may be first, second or third, fourth, 10th, 100th, and plus 1 here. It will be plus 1 or minus 1 or plus 5. It will vary according to the formula. We have learned about the formula of here. At first, this 3 is for the difference, this 5 is also for the difference, this 5 is also for the difference, and n is the number of the position. We may write the value of n as 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Suppose we will find here 4. That means here difference is 3 and 4 is the first position. So we will write down here the value of n as 1 because 4 is the first term. So 3 multiplied by 1, that means 3, and we have to add 1 here to make 4. So we have now already learned about this formula. What can we see in the picture? There is, suppose this is a room and this room contains 4 walls. 4 walls in the first room, but 3 walls in the next room. Here 3 walls, and also here 3 walls, another 3 walls and another 3 walls. That means we have to make 4 walls at the first step, and the next all the steps contain only 3 ones, and all these are also pattern. From 1 to 100, how many prime numbers are there? We can see that there are 25 numbers from 1 to 100. What are they? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and at last 97. Here, tips to remember. That means we can remember, we can learn from 1 to 100 prime numbers by a trick. That means we have to just remember that 4422, 322, 321. There is a trick to remember all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. We will just remember that 4422, 322, 321. 4422, 322, 321. That means there are 4 prime numbers are there in 1 to 10, and then another here 4, and then 2, and then 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. That means 4422, 322, 321. So if we remember this code number or numbers or tricks, we can find easily how many prime numbers are there from 1 to 100. Similarly, like we can see that how many prime numbers are there from 1 to 20. That means there are 8 numbers, 4 and 4. How many prime numbers are there from 91 to 100? That means just 1. Here we will show you from the prime numbers from 1 to 1000. There are total 168 prime numbers in from 1 to 1000. We have already learned the prime numbers from 1 to 100, and the next one is 101, 103, 107, 109, 113, like this. You can pause the video and learn all the prime numbers here. Subscribe our channel, like, comment, and share.